Today we will discuss about the bearings, three figures, three figure bearings. Basically, the bearings means find angles, which also represent direction. At what direction one object move one place to another place. For the bearing, we should remember some key points. Number one, it starts always from north. From north. Second point, it moves clockwise or rotate clockwise Number three, answer should be answers should be in three figures. In three figures. These are the key points you should remember, and these help you to find out the bearing, which means find the angles or directions. Number four, in the statement you will find the word from or to or of. From mean where you should start your journey, where you should start your movement or rotation. So this is starting point, and these two are ending point, where you stop your journey and from where you start. So these are few key points about the bearings. If you keep in mind, the bearing will be very easy for you, and these points help you to find out the angles and direction. Let's see some examples. Let's suppose if you are given any angle, for example 42 degree. If you observe, these are three figures. As at the beginning we had the title three figure bearings. It means the angles, whatever you write, it should be in three figures or the bearing. So as we know, the compass. This is the north, and normally you can say only capital N. This is east, normally you can represent by capital E. This is west, and which capital represented by capital W, and this is south, which can represent capital S. So as we have in key point, every time we start our point from the north line, and it should be rotate clockwise, and answer should be 3 figures. And our starting point in the statement should be from, and if there is written to or of, it should be ending point. So we can take any point towards the north, anywhere on the north line. It doesn't mean exactly somewhere, you can take anywhere, and you should move towards clockwise. And we should stop according to given information. If we stop it here till this line, it means this direction about 90 degree. Because it's bearing, we put 3 figures. But if we start from the beginning, somewhere any, and stop at this line, if he hits this line, so it means we move from the 0 line, which is called the 0 degree, because starting points, it's also we need it considers 3 figures. So it means this is 180 degree. So this is already in 3 figures, no need to put 0 before it. But if we move from here towards this line, if it hits on the west line, it means from here to here 90, from here to here 180, and from this point also 90. So 90 from here to here 90, from here to here 90. So all these 390 equal 270. So this is already in 3 figures. When we rotate the complete circle, we know that in complete circle it hits on where it starts. So it means come on 360, which is also considered as 0 0, but it's a complete circle. We can use protractor, or you can make a rough sketch. If you go for the protractor, you can find the accurate answers. Let's suppose if I draw a line, the north line, if we have the north line here, so I consider this is the point A. I consider point A, which means that starting from A till B, at what direction? At 42 degree, or at angle 42. So I put the protractor on the 0 baseline, so it would be here. So I have to locate the point on the protractor, which is 42. If we consider this is 40, if you observe, this is 40 and only 2 points above for it. So this is point B. So this is point B. It can be anywhere, because he didn't say that it is how much kilometer. So we join these 2 points. And this is the bearing, starting from here anywhere till the line travel to B and hits the line which travels to B, so which is 0 4 2 degree. We take one more example. Let's suppose if I have an angle I need to find the point. Let's suppose I consider the angle 108 degree. I need to find the direction of 108 degree. It is already in three figures. No need to put 0 before a number. So I draw the line. Let's suppose this is the north line. This is point A. This is north. Okay. So I need the direction 108. We know that if we consider this is the line 90 degree, so this is 180 degree according to this 180, this is 90. So this is the starting point. We plot the point anywhere on the north and start from the north. Anywhere you can plot it and move towards in a clockwise towards our direction, which is 108. So let's suppose if I consider this is the baseline, I need to find the second point, which is B point, starting from A till B. So it is 108. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. It is 110. It means 2 points less, 1 and 2. It is 108. So this is point B. We join A and B. A with B. So this is the point. So it means start from anywhere. We can plot anywhere from here, and it hits the line from A to B. A to B. B to B. As at the beginning we have from A to B. Of B from A. Of B from A. So it means of B from A. Find the direction of B from A. Or we can say from A to B. So it means this is 108 degree. Okay, we take one more example. Let's suppose we have the angle 210 degree, for example. Now we need to find the direction of 210. So first of all, you should remember the compass. We need to find the direction of B from A. I draw the line. Let's suppose I have the line here. This is the north point. So let's suppose this is A point. If we draw, we know this is 90 degree, and this is 180 degree, and this is 270 degree. This is 270, this is 90, this is 180. I need to find the direction 210 degree. So it means we should start every time from the north towards till what line? 210. If you look at here, if you observe the protractor, on the protractor we have maximum angle 180. This is 180. So 180, it means 210 is more than 180. So it is how much the angle I add in this point, I can get 180. So first of all, if you can do it, find the direction 210 minus 180 give you what? 30 degree. So it means the 30 degrees extra is the more than 180 degree. So I need to find an angle somewhere here. If I consider this is 0 line and this is 90 degree, so it after that it means somewhere here the 30 degree. Or how many angles I add, it becomes 210. So they are 30. So 180, if I add 30 degrees, so it means more than 180. So if I add 30 degrees, it becomes 210. So if I rotate the protractor from here, so if you observe, this is the 0 line. So how many angles I should add? It can becomes 210. So it should be 30 degree. So 0, 10. So here 0, this is 10, 20 and 30. So it means 30 somewhere here. So this is 30 degree. So if I join these 2 points, A and this is the B point, so I can get, this is the B point. So I have the direction from A to B, or I can say direction of B from A. How much it is? 210. So start from anywhere. You can plot starting from anywhere. You can choose the point anywhere on the north line. So it would be move or rotate towards clockwise, and it hits the line which we require. It hits the line. This is the line from A to B. From A to B. So it is 210 degree. Now let's suppose we have one more example. Example number 4. If I need to find the angle, the direction 300, let's suppose 20 degree. 320. Find the direction of 320 degree. So if we observe, this is now we need to find from A to B the direction 320 degree. Let's suppose I draw the north line. The north line somewhere here. I just choose. Let's suppose this is the north. Okay, so this is the A point. I consider this is A point, and because I need the direction 320 degree, so this is the zero line. It means I have to move somewhere here which can complete all the direction 320 degree till B. So this is the 0 point. Starting from 0, move or rotate clockwise till what direction, with the 3 figures answer, which is 320 degree. So again we observe the protractor gives us only 180 degree, and when we rotate, and it's complete 360 degree total, because the total angles around a point or the circle, complete circle, have 360 degree. Now we consider it, let's suppose we need to find 320. Either you can, because this line, we know that this line from here 90 degree, this is 180, this is 270 degree, and this means 360 degree. So how many angle we add in 270, we can get 320. So it's up to you. Either you can go this way, or if you observe the complete circle is 360, so if I minus 360 equal 320, it give me what angle? 40 degree. It give me 40 degree. So I just observe the 40 degree here from anti-clockwise from here, anti-clockwise. So 40 degrees somewhere here. This is 40 degree somewhere here. It means if I complete the circle clockwise, it becomes 320. So it's easy for me to locate the points using the protractor somewhere here, because the total circles around a point is 360. If I minus 320 from 360, I get 40 degree. So it means anti-clockwise is 40 degree, but clockwise it is 360. But keep in mind, we are not considering the answer from anti-clockwise, because at the beginning I give you the key points. Our starting line is the north, and we move or rotate clockwise, and the answer should be 3 figures bearing. So answer should be 3 figures. So this is already in 3 figures. So should we, if I join these 2 points, which is the B point anywhere, because we are not given any length of the how many kilometers move from one place to another place. Let's suppose this is B point. So we use clockwise. We should represent our bearing clockwise. So this is A point, this is B points. From A to B, it is 320 degree. We should say from clockwise. We're not representing anti-clockwise. If somewhere we do here, it means we're making a wrong, because at the beginning we had the key points which give us the direction should be clockwise, starting from the north, and answer should be 3 figures. So here we have sometime we are given the angles, but sometime we are given some diagrams. In diagrams we have to represent some values. In diagram we can we are given some angles. We need to find out either it is 3 figures or not 3 figures. Let's suppose we are given some examples here. He said in this information, use the information given in the diagram to find the bearing of B from A. from A, it means this is the start point, and of B, it means this is the ending point. If you observe, we are given the north line, and this is the starting point here, and this is the ending point here, and we are given some value here. It means this is 62. But if you observe, this is starting from the north, and it hits the line of B from A to B. It's the line from A to B. It means this is the one key point starting from the north, hits the line. But if you remember, in the beginning, at the beginning, we have some information, some key points. The answer should be three figures, but it is two figures. So what should be the answer? Correct answer? We should put 0 before 62, so it becomes three figures answer. Now question number, if we look at the next example, this is our north line, and we know that we start from the north line, and it is starting from the north line and hitting the line which is from A to B. It means again in this we have starting from the north, rotate clockwise. There are two key points, it's clear, and from A to B it's also clear. But if we observe the key point 1 of there, the answer should be three figures. If you observe, this is not three figures. We should put 0 before 98. Now if we observe the one more example here, if you observe this example, in this example we are given the north line, and we are given from A to B. Okay, so if you observe, this value is anti-clockwise. It's anti-clockwise. This is opposite of clockwise. Now at the beginning, as I was given the key points starting from the north, and anywhere you put the points on the north and move clockwise, it means actual this is the direction. This is the direction. We need to find this direction, not this direction. This is the given. This is the given in anti-clockwise information. But for the bearing, we know that we start from the north, and from the point till the end point, till the ending point, from A to B, of B from A. So this is the point which we require to plot. We need to find the bearing of this, direction of this, from A to B. So it hits here. So start from clock. It means this is anti-clockwise. So what should we do? We know that the points around the circle total are 360. So we take 360 minus 32. We have the answer 360 minus 32, 328. So it is 328 degree. It is already three figures, so no need to write 0 before the number. It is already in three figures. Again, one more example regarding the bearings. We are given the diagram. In this diagram, this is the north line, this is the point A, starting from A to B. So this is starting from A to B. Now again we are given the point here. If you observe, this is the point which is 90 degree, and if you look at here, this is movement, this is rotation from north to B anti-clockwise. But as we have the key points, the line should be start from the north and rotate clockwise and hits the line from A to B, and with the direction here. So we need to find, again it means we need to find this value and this direction, this angle. So it means that it's we know the around a point, the total angles in 360. So 360 minus the given angle, which is 98. So it would be equal 360 minus 98. It gives us 262 degree. So it is already three figures, so no need to put the 0 before the number. Hope you have the basic things about the